Hi Lucy, mixed this weekend. So Saturday is when we'll see the lengthiest dry spells in the sunshine, out of the breeze, feeling quite pleasant, but we still have some cold nights in the forecast with the chance for a touch of frost actually. So Saturday, very much the driest day of the weekend to get out and about. But by the time we get to Sunday, yes, we do have a return of some wetter and windier conditions for a time. So the forecast then for this evening, there's still a few showers around at the moment, most of those over mid-Wales, sliding near way south-eastwards. Overnight, that's when we'll see a return to some fairly lengthy dry spells, just a few isolated showers, and the sky is becoming somewhat clearer too. So quite a cold night, especially for some inland rural areas where there's still the chance for a touch of frost, where you have the onshore breeze along the west coast, temperatures sitting a bit more comfortably at around 4 Celsius, and the winds relatively light in strength. Saturday then, it's going to be quite a chilly start to the day. There's a few showers around too. In any heavier downpours, the chance for a little bit of hail, and then over some of the hills and mountains, a little bit of sleet and snow, but nothing too significant. And as the day wears on, a lot of those showers will peter out. And more of us will get to see some sunshine tomorrow. So towards evening, it does look to be pretty pleasant for many of us. Those daytime highs then 8 to 11 Celsius. So in the sunshine, quite pleasant, but it will be quite breezy for a time, and that will make it feel a little bit cooler than what these values suggest. Saturday night, as the skies clear out, it will turn cold once again, the chance for a touch of frost. And then on Sunday, the next set of weather fronts move in, and that will introduce something more unsettled. Sunday at 1 a.m, don't forget those clocks go forward. So if you're on the night shift, that could be a bonus, but for most of us, we may end up losing a little bit of sleep. But when you think about those sunrise and sunset times, we'll get to see those lighter evenings, which is something to look forward to, isn't it? Looking at further out then on Sunday itself, it may start off largely dry, but that's not set to last. We've got cloud thickening, reduced visibility, and then outbreaks of rain and drizzle moving in, more persistent as well. And the winds will also strengthen, so a lengthier spell of something gusty. Daytime highs then, those ranging from around 9 to 11 Celsius. Looking at the forecast next week then, at the moment, a bit of a ridge of high pressure Monday and Tuesday, so yes, there could be a few showers, spots of rain, but overall largely dry. It does look like it could turn a little bit milder by the time we get to Tuesday, Wednesday as well, but then later next week a bit more unsettled. That's your latest. Lucy.
Thanks, Sabrina, and thanks for the clock reminder too. Lily.